Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we will introduce the final inspection of our DTF film before shipping. Firstly, we will do a printing test. Of course, the printing result is significant. And we also need to check if there is an overflow of ink to see if the ink absorbing layer of DTF transfer film is qualified. Secondly, we will test whether the DTF film sticks to the powder when shaking powder. And we also advise our customers do the same inspection when they receive the shipment. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.